Mark chapter 6, Jesus is talking about how a prophet is honored because of what he says, but everywhere except in his hometown and his home, in his family. Uh, he went ahead and went around to the different cities and preached. And not only did he preach, but he had his disciples go and preach the gospel and heal diseases and um, take out unclean spirits in the people. John the Baptist was preaching, and he was a fascinating person, and they um, they actually killed him, and so he died for his faith and for being a prophet. The disciples went around, and Jesus pulled them back together to talk about what they had experienced, and he didn't even have time to they didn't even have time to eat or to rest or to sleep. So he pulled them away to a quiet place, and um, that's what he did sometimes. He went to a quiet place. He took his men to a place to rest and to eat. So there was a bunch of people, a few thousand, and in the same chapter, and they needed to feed them. And there was only 5 loaves of bread and 2 fish, and yet Jesus was able to multiply that and feed everybody. Jesus was out on the water, and he frightened the disciples, but um, he actually walked on the water and challenged Peter to do the same. So, and Jesus had so much power that people wanted to even touch his robe, just because if they could be that close and just experience a little bit of his strength. And today, Jesus lives in the believer, and we can have that power.